Shiv Sena has sharpened its attack on the BJP, saying they needed to clarify their stand on the alliance with the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena led by Raj Thackeray. Uddhav Thackeray said the question he wanted to ask was who was the point person for the BJP. He was referring to Nitin Gadkari, who had earlier met the MNS chief and asked him not to divide the anti-Congress vote. He had sought support for Narendra Modi, the BJP's PM candidate, and Gopinath Munde, who played a crucial role in the alliance talks between the BJP and the Shiv Sena. Earlier, several BJP leaders had met Uddhav Thackeray to pacify him. Among them were Maharashtra BJP chief Devendra Fadnavis and Rajiv Pratap Rudy.
Devendra Fadnavis came to my house, and before he came I received a call from Rajiv Pratap Rudy. So I have talked to both these people, and I will try and have talk with Rajnath Singh also. I have 1 to 2 questions for BJP, and as you all know that Shiv Sena and BJP, both these parties conjunctions are on Hindutva. When BJP was in trouble at that time also Shiv Sena was with BJP.
Uddhav Thackeray questioned the sudden change in political calculations in Maharashtra.
When everything is going right, then they are trying to come together. What matter is that Rajnath ji, Rajiv Pratap ji and Devendra Fadnavis has assured me that BJP will always be with Shiv Sena. I told them if it is correct, then your answer my question first, as we are working within coordination with Gopinath Munde and Devendra Fadnavis. I think that in conjunctions work there should be no quarrel among the people and there should be no division of seats. Campaignings are going on in a nice manner and suddenly somebody come and says something, so you tell me who gave them right to speak this way.
Uddhav said the way BJP was behaving, there was very little difference between them and AAP.
This means that politics is over and they do not have any issue on which they would ask for vote. They won't get vote by showing their face and then they will go votes by on the name of Modi. Will you be happy by getting support of these people? If this is the situation, you contest election against each other and after winning, when you come and form the government, then what is the difference between you and Kejriwal? As Kejriwal also contested against Congress, but it took the support of the same party to form the government. Chandrasekhar also took the support of Rajiv Gandhi and formed the government. If you are contesting the election to form the government, then you make it clear to me, and if needed, will you even take support from Congress? I know there is someone who is trying to create controversy and it's not BJP. There is some strategy of BJP and this is why we have come out.
This report is brought to you by NNIS.